So I got these boots that I'm going to restore and then paint. I got them for less than 18 US dollars. I got chains on them and straps that have some things on them. I'm going to put more things on them. And then I'm going to paint them and sell them on Etsy or something. Or maybe I'll keep them for myself. I don't know. I'll probably be in love with them. But I'm probably going to record all this and maybe start a YouTube channel or something. It's just an idea, and I'm going to record it regardless. And if it's good, then I'll upload it. If not, maybe I'll still upload it. Who knows? I'm a noob, and you know, that's cool. Anyway, I just thought I would share that. It sounds like, I mean, I'm going to get like used boots and stuff. And I bought leather conditioner, and I'm going to, you know, clean them up really good and make sure everything is sewed to where it's structurally sound too. So it's going to be a project, but God, it sounds like fun.